everybody, this is my kitchen and here is my washing machine Bosch with a dryer. So this is a model. It is 27 years old. This is the first washing machine I've been bought by myself 27 years ago, and it's service to me for such a long time. Unfortunately, recently bearings was completely destroyed, and when it was spinning it was a horrible sound. So I asked service guys to repair this washing machine, to change the bearings. Two rejected. They told me there is no sense to do that, but this is a washing machine is made of very high quality materials. So, and therefore I decided to change bearing by myself. Here in my apartments I did it and I changed the bearings by myself. If you are interested to see the full and step-by-step detail video how I did that, write in the comment section below. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye.